I am over the moon excited. This is a sneak peek at fall. We just got just a handful of these fabrics in. It's a little pre-fall that we're doing. I just gotta share them with you because they're like unbelievable. They're unbelievable. So check this out. This is a leather suede reversible faux leather suede reversible. It's a peachy beige. It's just like one of the most popular colors for fall, and it's a stretch woven. Oh my goodness gracious, can you believe that? I burned it. It's a cotton poly blend. It's a designer that I'm not allowed to tell you, but it is stunning, just absolutely stunning. So I put with it a print. This is a print from Italy. That is a poly cotton blend. Again, just really beautiful. You can see great drape. This is a woven, gorgeous with a little blouse. And what's in is these peachy beige and the earth tones like caramel. I would call this rust, but the current names are being called caramel. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It's a rib, but it's like a sweater rib. So it's got like a sweatery texture to it, but it is ribbed. It's just beautiful, beautiful for fall. This is a laser cut black faux leather. Tell me that's not gorgeous. Isn't that stunning? I was thinking like it'd be wonderful for like just a little jean jacket. Wouldn't that be adorable? Just easy, great, beautiful, stylish. And then this is a cotton silk, great for pants, jacket, great body, beautiful. It's a woven. It's just one of the strongest trend. These small little plaids for pants are going to be all over. They're already all over the place. And then this is, they're calling it peanut, is this color. It is the same as this beginning one. It's a leather suede reversible. You want both sides to show. You can see it's a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. Is that just so classic and yet so beautiful? And these are like, we're putting most of these, they're going to be less than $19.99. These is like $40 and $50 when you find a faux suede leather. These are such high quality. They're beautiful. We're going to put them at $19.99. We want you all to sew and not be so afraid that you've spent your life fortune on fabric. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.